Next up here I have Schlumberger, ticker SLB. This is a red hammer candle here on the daily chart. Not the most ideal setup, although it is a gap down into a red hammer candle with a decent amount of volume. Looks to be a little bit over what I would call the previous 10 to 20 day average. So there are participants in the trade. Could potentially be a bottom, could be good enough for at least a trade. And that's what I will be looking for off of a couple of points here. First of all, I'm going to have a level here at 67 and down here again around 66 and a half. Two plays I see possibly unfolding here is a long above 67.07, stop loss just below. This is on any kind of gap up. If there's a gap and go type of play, something like that, that's what I'll be looking for there. Or pull back down here a little bit further, support entry into 66 and a half, stop loss just below it. And then ultimately, if it does come all the way down here, I may take one more stab at it here, just around 66, and see if that would carry on for a little bit of a trade. And of course, stop loss would be just below that. Any trigger into any one of these trades, I would be optimistic and hope for a move up here to around 68 to fill this gap, 67.90 to 68. So that would be my initial target. Knowing that these levels are important, any trigger down below each one of these levels, I will watch the spot for more selling to possibly have to take some profits off of there. So, but these are going to be the levels that I'm watching for a possible trade for Schlumberger tomorrow.